Island girls, let me show you how I cook my curry goat in my kitchen as a Jamaican girl living in Canada. Now, I had my curry goat seasoned from last night, and I'm going to start it off here in this Dutch oven. Added some oil, and then I added some garlic. And although I seasoned my goat with curry, I'm also going to burn my curry. This gives it an extra layer of flavor. When you add that, do not add any water. Well, I don't add any water. I just allow the goat to seep its own water. Later down, I'll add the water. And you keep on stirring it and watching it, so it don't burn up, and so that burnt curry at the bottom, it gets distributed all over the pot, all over the goat. Let me know if you burn your curry also, and what else do you add to your oil when you're burning it. And which curry do you use? I like using Better Pack. I've heard about Blue Mountain and a few others, but here I only find the Better Pack. I'll have to try to find those other ones that you recommended when I asked, what is your favorite curry? Now, some countries or some islands say goat curry, but here as Jamaican, we call it curry goat, okay? Now I'm going to transfer it for pressuring because I don't want to have it cooking like for hours. I want it to be done quick. I want to get out of the kitchen quick and early. So I transferred it to the pressure cooker, added some hot water. This will speed up the process, and I allowed it to pressure maybe for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, it was tender to my perfection, and it was ready to be transferred back to the pot, and we're going to simmer him down and slow cook him up again. So you see how that looks? Yes, and that amount of water was adequate. So now we put him back in the same pot. Yes, we don't have to bother wash it out because the goat was already cooking in it. That's why it looks so messy. And look at it, it's coming together nicely, simmering down nicely. I don't like my curry goat mash out. I like it to be still on the bones but tender enough. And I'm going to add some extra layer of seasoning, some thyme, onion, scallion, some pimento, of course. And there was a pepper. I had to take out the pepper hot. The pepper was so hot. Yes, curry goat is originally Jamaican, like it hot and spicy, but I like to enjoy my food when I'm eating. I don't want no pepper burn up my mouth. And I don't usually add Irish potato and carrot in my curry goat. I just like my curry goat just like this. What else would you add to your curry goat? Let me know in the comments.